Imagine a giant octopus, weighing up to half a ton, with tentacles longer than a full-grown man. For centuries, Japan has mastered the art of catching these ocean giants. But how does this ancient practice fit into today's world? In this video, we explore Japan's traditional octopus catch and how modern processing techniques transform them into global delicacies. Join us as we uncover the fascinating journey of the giant octopus from the deep ocean to your plate.
The culinary importance of the giant octopus, referred to as tako in Japanese, resonates profoundly through its presence in beloved dishes such as takoyaki, sushi, and sashimi. These culinary creations not only showcase the expertise of Japanese chefs but also embody the country's rich gastronomic heritage, highlighting how local ingredients can be transformed into exquisite experiences. Moreover, sustainable fishing practices play a pivotal role in safeguarding octopus populations for future generations. Employing traditional fishing methods, such as traps, alongside modern technologies like GPS, reflects a commitment to minimizing environmental impact while maximizing yield. This blend of old and new illustrates the adaptive strategies necessary for responsible marine resource management. In response to the challenges posed by overexploitation, the Japanese government has enacted robust protection policies aimed at preserving octopus resources. These include establishing fishing season limits and designating protected areas. Such measures not only strive for sustainability but also work to maintain the delicate balance required for a thriving marine ecosystem. Furthermore, the development of a premium Japanese octopus brand tailored for the international market is essential for enhancing the economic value of the industry. This strategic initiative not only bolsters Japan's reputation for sustainable seafood but also positions the country as a leader in high-quality marine exports. Additionally, a myriad of traditional and contemporary fishing techniques are employed throughout Japan, effectively ensuring economic efficiency while adhering to the stringent regulations designed for aquatic resource protection. These diverse methods not only highlight cultural practices but also reflect a deeply ingrained respect for the marine environment and its sustainability. To further bolster these efforts, the Japanese government enforces rigorous regulations governing octopus fishing practices, including seasonal limits and fishing quotas aimed at curbing overfishing. This regulatory framework is vital for ensuring the longevity and sustainability of marine resources, underpinning the health of the industry. In the realm of modern fishing, vessels equipped with sonar technology have transformed the efficiency of seabed detection, enabling more effective harvesting strategies. This advancement not only streamlines the process but also elevates the quality of octopus destined for export, thereby meeting international market demands. However, Japan faces several challenges, particularly concerning overfishing, which has prompted the government to advocate for the release of juvenile octopus back into the wild. Such initiatives are essential for sustaining natural populations and are complemented by ongoing research efforts aimed at understanding and preserving these vital marine creatures. The octopus industry, therefore, serves as more than just an economic pillar for Japan. It stands as a model for harmonizing industrial growth with environmental stewardship. This balance is crucial for ensuring that future generations continue to benefit from the ocean's bounty while protecting its fragile ecosystems. When it comes to culinary preparation, the steaming conditions, such as temperature and duration, are critical for achieving an evenly cooked octopus that both maintains its vibrant color and exquisite flavor. Chefs make specific adjustments based on the size of the octopus, demonstrating an intimate understanding of the ingredient. Moreover, rapidly cooling the octopus in ice water post-steaming is a crucial step in preserving its freshness and preventing bacterial growth. This modern technique significantly mitigates contamination risks associated with water and ensures that the dish retains its intended quality. Industrial advancements in octopus processing have revolutionized the sector, ensuring the consistent quality of products while addressing market demands. Such mass production capabilities are complemented by strict adherence to international food safety standards, allowing for greater accessibility to global markets. Incorporating modern processing methods, such as superfast freezing and the use of automated machinery, has enhanced productivity without compromising the flavor and structure of the octopus. These techniques play a vital role in meeting the stringent market standards that consumers expect today. Importantly, the industry places a strong emphasis on sustainability, actively promoting the use of biodegradable packaging and initiating efforts to reduce water and energy consumption throughout production processes. Such initiatives reflect a conscientious approach to minimizing the environmental footprint of the octopus industry. Finally, the octopus industry is not without its challenges. Pressures from climate change and overexploitation pose significant threats to both octopus populations and production costs, underscoring the necessity for meticulous resource management and strict adherence to international quality standards to ensure the future viability of this critical sector. Fishermen often employ traps that mimic the structure of small caves, capitalizing on the octopus's instinctual need for shelter. This technique not only proves to be a highly effective means of harvesting octopuses but also enjoys widespread acceptance across various regions. In addition to traps, direct diving emerges as another proficient method, where seasoned divers meticulously search rocky crevices for octopuses. Armed with specialized tools, these divers must navigate their environment with skill, carefully avoiding the ink secretion that octopuses release when threatened. Upon capture, the immediate preservation of octopuses through icing or freezing becomes a vital step to ensure the retention of freshness. This precaution is particularly important before transportation to processing facilities and eventual sale, showcasing the need for high standards in seafood quality. Recognizing the challenges posed by overexploitation, countries have instituted regulations governing fishing seasons and minimum size limits for octopuses. These measures are not merely bureaucratic. They represent a concerted effort to promote sustainable fishing practices and ensure the responsible management of marine resources. Moreover, the integration of modern technologies, such as underwater positioning devices and intelligent traps, enhances the efficiency of fishing operations. These innovations are pivotal, as they strive to balance harvesting with the imperative of safeguarding marine ecosystems. The fishing landscape is diverse, incorporating a plethora of methods that range from traditional manual techniques to cutting-edge technologies. This variability is largely influenced by environmental conditions and the inherent characteristics of different octopus species, illustrating the adaptability of fishing practices in response to changing circumstances. In Japan, artificial baits shaped like shrimp or crab are often employed, showcasing a traditional fishing technique that demands both patience and skill from fishermen. Such practices not only reflect local culture but also highlight the deep connection between communities and their marine environments. However, industrial fishing practices, particularly bottom trolling, raise significant environmental concerns. The adverse impact on seabed ecosystems leads to habitat destruction and a worrying decline in octopus populations, prompting urgent discussions on the sustainability of such methods. To mitigate these adverse effects, many nations enforce fishing bans during critical breeding seasons, aimed at bolstering the sustainable growth of octopus populations. This proactive approach encourages the adoption of eco-friendly fishing practices, moving away from more harmful techniques like trolling. Diving techniques rooted in tradition often involve divers utilizing their hands or specialized tools to retrieve octopuses from rocky crevices. This method is particularly prevalent in regions such as Japan and the Mediterranean, underscoring the value of skill and local knowledge in sustainable fishing practices. In a further advancement, modern methods now include camera-equipped submersibles designed to track giant squid. This technological marvel allows for more efficient and less destructive fishing strategies, ultimately contributing to the protection of marine ecosystems while maximizing the potential catch. The importance of sustainable fishing practices cannot be overstated, as these measures, such as imposing fishing seasons and establishing marine reserves, play a crucial role in protecting both giant squid and octopus populations. The overarching goal remains to maintain ecological balance in our oceans. Japan stands out for its sophisticated octopus fishing industry, successfully blending traditional methods with modern technology to optimize yields. Regions like Hokkaido are pivotal in this sector, reflecting the evolution of fishing practices in response to both consumer demand and environmental stewardship. Despite these advancements, the overexploitation of squid and octopus has incurred serious ecological imbalances, notably affecting natural predators such as whales and sharks. This reality underscores the pressing need for sustainable fishing practices that can mitigate these adverse effects. In light of these challenges, countries are taking decisive action by implementing restrictions on the annual harvest of octopus and squid. The establishment of protected marine areas further illustrates a commitment to safeguarding these vital populations and ensuring the long-term health of our oceans. The preservation of octopus after harvest stands as a critical factor in maintaining the quality of this delicacy. Techniques such as washing the catch with seawater and utilizing ice containers during transportation back to shore underscore the importance of immediate care. These practices not only ensure freshness but also reflect a commitment to quality that is paramount in the seafood industry. Moreover, octopus fishing transcends mere economic activity. It embodies a rich cultural heritage. Each fishing trip for these skilled fishermen signifies a profound connection to the ocean, emphasizing the resilience and traditions passed down through generations. This relationship with the sea is a testament to human adaptability and respect for nature. Despite its cultural significance, there are mounting concerns regarding the overexploitation of octopus as a marine resource. The sustainability of this rapidly growing yet ecologically vulnerable species has become a focal point. As such, the adoption of sustainable practices is not just advisable, but necessary to safeguard these creatures and their habitats for future generations. In response to these concerns, coastal areas have begun implementing no-fishing zones, coupled with training initiatives for fishermen on sustainable practices. Such measures are crucial for conserving marine ecosystems, as they stabilize local livelihoods while ensuring that the marine environment remains resilient. By marrying economic needs with ecological responsibility, communities can thrive. Additionally, the integration of modern technology, ranging from fish finders to biodegradable materials, has revolutionized the fishing industry. These innovative tools enhance fishing efficiency while simultaneously minimizing ecological damage, thereby significantly contributing to sustainable fishing practices. The intersection of technology and tradition presents a promising path forward. Equally important is the collaboration between fishermen, local authorities, and supportive government policies aimed at effective marine resource management. This collaborative approach not only fosters a favorable environment for sustainable practices but also builds community resilience. Such partnerships are essential for addressing the multifaceted challenges that marine ecosystems face today. Furthermore, education and outreach initiatives centered on sustainable fishing methods can profoundly influence fishermen's understanding of marine conservation. Awareness programs play a pivotal role in encouraging active participation in monitoring marine resources, thus fostering a culture of responsibility. Knowledge is a powerful tool in this quest for sustainability. Scientific research focusing on octopus biology and behavior is also crucial for developing effective fishing regulations. A deeper understanding of these factors allows for more informed decisions regarding optimal fishing times and methods. Therefore, the fusion of science and traditional knowledge can pave the way for a more sustainable fishing future. Moreover, marine ecotourism has the potential to enhance the value of traditional fishing practices by drawing in tourists. This influx not only bolsters local economies but also raises awareness about the importance of protecting marine resources. In this way, ecotourism serves as a bridge between preservation and economic benefit. Improving the quality of octopus products is critical for both domestic consumption and international exports. A strong branding strategy can help establish consumer trust and broaden market opportunities for fishermen. In an increasingly competitive global market, the emphasis on quality cannot be overstated. Upgrading processing facilities with modern technologies such as quick freezing and vacuum packaging extends the shelf life of octopus products. This not only ensures that Vietnamese octopus meets the high standards required for global markets, but also enhances its marketability. Quality processing is key to gaining a competitive edge. Strengthening cooperation between fishermen and processing enterprises establishes a more sustainable supply chain. This symbiotic relationship ensures the provision of quality raw materials while offering technological support to all parties involved. Such collaborations signify a step towards a more integrated and sustainable approach to octopus fishing. Cooperative models within the fishing industry can amplify collective power among fishermen, enhancing fishing methods and promoting resource sharing. This unity not only supports economic stability but also builds resilience against the impacts of climate change, showcasing the strength found in collaboration. Processing octopus into value-added products, such as dried or smoked varieties, broadens market reach and increases profitability. This diversification allows fishermen to enhance their income streams, moving beyond the limitations of solely selling fresh octopus. Innovation in processing can lead to significant economic benefits. Utilizing information technology in fisheries management facilitates better monitoring of marine resources and compliance with regulations. This technological integration ensures the installation of sustainable practices while maximizing the economic potential of the industry. In today's data-driven world, effective management relies heavily on advanced tools. Research into octopus habitats and behaviors equips fishermen with crucial insights for understanding this enigmatic species. Such knowledge is instrumental for crafting effective fishing regulations that align with the ecological needs of octopus populations. An informed approach is critical for sustainable practices to take root. Moreover, strengthening marine monitoring programs is vital for tracking various environmental factors that impact octopus populations. This includes vigilant monitoring of temperature, salinity, and pollution effects on their health. Proactive measures in monitoring can mitigate negative impacts and support population stability. Finally, international cooperation emerges as a necessity for the comprehensive management of octopus resources. Countries must collaborate to ensure the protection of this widely distributed species across various marine environments. A unified approach is critical for securing the future of octopus populations and the communities that depend on them. The juxtaposition of traditional and modern methods in octopus fishing, including the use of traps and advanced technology, serves as a testament to the industry's evolution. These innovative techniques not only elevate efficiency but also promote sustainability, compelling fishermen to adapt their practices in alignment with environmental standards. In this context, the significance of educating fishing communities about marine resource management and environmental protection cannot be overstated. Such education ensures the establishment of sustainable practices, pivotal for maintaining octopus populations and preserving the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Moreover, community involvement emerges as a cornerstone for sustainable fisheries. Fishermen actively participating in cooperatives fosters a spirit of fair consumption and mutual support. This collaborative approach not only enhances product value but also amplifies their market presence, creating a robust local economy. Training programs designed for fishermen emphasize eco-friendly methods alongside rigorous scientific research. Such initiatives are instrumental in ensuring better resource management and conservation of octopus populations, thus emphasizing the critical need for sustainability within the industry. On a broader scale, the advent of ecotourism linked to octopus fishing plays a multifaceted role. It not only promotes cultural exchange but also generates supplementary income for local communities, thereby aiding in the preservation of both marine and cultural ecosystems. Transitioning to the implementation of new technologies reveals a transformative impact on fishing practices and management processes. These advancements enhance efficiency, ensuring adherence to conservation regulations, and collectively support sustainable practices within the octopus fishing sector. Additionally, participatory management models usher in a new era of engagement, allowing fishermen to partake in decision-making regarding fishing regulations. This fundamentally strengthens their connection to the resources that are essential for their livelihoods. In tandem with these efforts, raising public awareness through targeted communication campaigns emphasizes the ecological importance of octopus. Such initiatives serve to galvanize community support for conservation efforts and sustainable practices. Furthermore, international cooperation proves to be crucial in sharing knowledge and strategies for sustainable octopus fishing. This collaborative approach effectively addresses global challenges, including those posed by climate change and resource management. Promoting ecotourism initiatives that are interwoven with fishing activities not only enhances local engagement but also raises awareness of marine conservation. Tourists participating in these endeavors contribute to local economies while fostering cultural understanding. The establishment of marine protected areas stands as a fundamental strategy for nurturing the natural development and reproduction of octopus populations. These designated areas play a pivotal role in regenerating fish resources and bolstering sustainable fishing practices. Moreover, government support coupled with financial incentives for sustainable fishing methods is essential for ensuring community resilience. Policies that promote conservation projects can have a profound impact on local fishing economies, shaping their future. Encouraging scientific research focused on octopus and its habitat is paramount for enhancing our understanding of its ecology. Such knowledge directly informs management strategies, thereby significantly benefiting the fishing communities that depend on these resources. Organizing seminars and forums that bring together fishermen and experts facilitates valuable knowledge exchange. By keeping fishermen informed, this networking enhances their competitiveness in an ever-evolving market landscape. Raising public awareness about marine resource protection through comprehensive education initiatives is vital. An informed and engaged community actively champions conservation efforts and supports the sustainable management of fisheries. Additionally, integrated marine agriculture models present a promising avenue for enhancing the sustainability of octopus fishing. By harmoniously combining octopus fishing with aquaculture, a richer ecosystem emerges, benefiting both local habitats and the communities that rely on them. Government policies can play a pivotal role in supporting research endeavors and technological advancements within the octopus fishing industry. Innovations, such as those arising from molecular biology, can significantly improve population health monitoring and contribute to sustainable practices. Ultimately, branding and promoting local octopus products can yield substantial economic benefits for fishermen. Clear product identification not only facilitates better pricing but also enhances the cultural significance of these products, making them a vital part of the community's identity.